Hi everybody, Miss Kate here on this blistering 90-degree day, and I thought we would have a little fun with science. So I made a little water bottle rocket. Now I know the sun is very, very bright, so I will do my best to make sure you can see everything. I've tested this out a couple of times and have found the best way to do it. So what you want to do now, before I actually get started, don't do this without adult supervision. Okay, it's fun, fairly harmless, as long as you follow the instructions. Now, if you don't follow the instructions, that's a whole nother story. So do it with adults, or just enjoy watching me run out of the way of a bottle rocket type of thing. Okay, so here we go with a couple of quick instructions. I just took an old water bottle, 3 pencils, you can do more if you want, 3 seem to work for me, and some duct tape, and then that will give your rocket a little bit of space underneath that water bottle. Okay, and then we are going to fill it with about that much vinegar, just a little bit in the bottom, and then we are going to take one individual square of toilet paper, and you're going to put a little bit of baking soda in there, and then you wrap the baking soda up, drop it in there, and loosely put the cap on, flip it upside down, set it down on the ground as I knock it over, set it down on the ground, and back way up, okay, because it's going to whoosh. All right, so let's try it out. Like I said, I did it a couple of times. I did it wrong a couple of times, and now I have found the best way for you to do it. What do you think? Enough? Maybe a little bit more. That should be good. Okay. And then we're going to take our little square of toilet paper. And I have a tablespoon measure here that I've been using to scoop it up. I probably don't even use a half a tablespoon. I don't know if you can see. There you go. I don't even use a whole half. Dump it in there. And then, like I said, you're going to kind of make a pouch. So, because you want to wrap all that baking soda up so it gives you a second. This is like a time release capsule. So this gives you that extra second to put the cap on and flip it over and get away before it shoots up. Okay, so I'm going to take these things to the other side of my driveway here and do that part where I put it in there, cap it, and run. And you'll hopefully get to see most of it lift off. Okay? Wish me luck. That went so much better than I expected it to. So please remember, have fun. Look up why baking soda and vinegar react like that. Do a little bit of research. I'm going to do another baking soda and vinegar experiment later on in the summer. But I think that went about the best it could have. So please do this responsibly. Do this with an adult, or at least with adult permission, okay, and supervision. All right? And have fun. Bye.